see the rewriting of the definition of a commercial use, that is a exploitative copying of a copyrighted work. So, that requires a authorization. That was the first. Second, creative works such as the songs which are in question are closer to the core of a intended copyright protection. So, it is flavoring the plaintiff. Third one is like in some cases wholesale copying of a work may be allowable with the time shifting. That was the Sony case, we have seen that. So, in some cases. Then fourth, widespread wholesale transfer of a plaintiff's music negatively affected the market for a CD sales, obviously, and they like threaten the recording industry also. Okay, so that was the situation. Now, circuit court rejected Snapter's argument, and that a file sharing by its users qualified for a fair use defense. So, the defense which is used by Napster is not accepted, and Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals upheld that Napster was liable for a contributory and vicarious infringement.